plantains. Beautiful, fresh Italian parsley. Smashing away coconut milk and turmeric. Now we will bake it. The flavor is just impeccable. The coconut milk with the plantains and the turmeric is wonderful, I must say. Not too much turmeric though. Then the lamb with the Italian parsley, cumin, garlic powder, lime juice, Atlantic sea salt, some red bell peppers turned out great. Very satisfied. The cheese melted really well. Thin layer of cheese, not too much, but the plantain journey has really come along. Mashallah tabarakallah.